Hi, this is Dave with the Acrylic Creations. Today I'm doing a beach vibe. This is a 4x4 tile. PPG MULTI-PRO is going down. This is an eggshell. Next down is going to be Southern Ocean Blue, and this is by Matisse. They are all mixed with my pouring medium, which is Valspar Ultra, 3 parts to 1 part of Varathane Polyurethane, triple thick. This is Whitehaven. This is this little Piggy. And it started out as a powder and was loosened up a little bit, wet the pigment down with a little bit of varnish, and then added my pouring medium. Next is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. This is by Golden. It looks orange here, kind of a brown orange, but it turns into a beautiful gold yellow later once it gets spread out a little bit. What I'm doing there is I'm just centering my little puddle in the middle of the canvas, in the middle of the spinner. This is Lemon Sorbet by this little Piggy. Again, it started out as a pigment and mixed exactly the same way. 3 parts of my pouring medium after it's wetted down with some varnish. Okay, first of my cell activators is titanium white. It's mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. Next is lamp black and another cell activator, and again 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. I blew down with my large straw, and I'm blowing out the petals now. And what I'm actually after is the edge of the paint, pushing it as far out as I can. Picking up my little straw next to see if I can get some of the cell activator to open up slightly. Now, if you've missed anything while we've been going through this, you don't have to worry about it. There are links down in the description with all my products and everything that I use. Okay, spinning. Giving it a good spin to open up the cells and to get some of the paint off the painting surface. If you're interested in learning any of the things that I use and how I do things with my pouring mediums and my cell activators, I have a 101 how-to series that you can check out. The link is above or down in the description below. Let's take a closer look. If you found today's video useful, I invite you to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.